Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a really quick video, just a quick unboxing. I wasn't planning on filming today, but I did just get something in the mail. So just a little backstory, I actually got this item on a whim from Poshmark. I was just scrolling through and I happened to see this and it was a really great deal. And it is a little busted up, but I figured I could probably fix it. So it was a really great deal. That's why I got it, but I was really sketched out. So I did send the pictures to an authenticator and she did authenticate it and say it's 100% real. So I am going to unbox it for you guys. I sent her the pictures that were on Poshmark. So I am gonna resend her the actual wallet just to double check, but I'm sure it's fine. But so this is the box. I did open the top, but I didn't pull anything out just because I knew if I tried to do it on camera, it would take me like 5 years to open the box. So here's what's inside. All right. It is from Louis Vuitton. It is the Zippy Wallet in Vernis. Forget what the name of this color is. I'll put it in the description box when I figure it out. But it does have a couple of marks on it. A lot of the Vernis pieces I see have these little black marks on it. It doesn't smell, so that's good. It has a little bit of like oldness right here. And it's missing a zipper pull, but the zipper still works. But I thought I could get a new zipper pull for it. Then when you open it up, here's the inside. And then this zipper is broken for the coin pouch. So it is pretty busted up, but I did get a good deal on it, and I thought that I would be able to get it fixed. Like, I figured if I bring it into the store, they might be able to fix this zipper and definitely at least fix the zipper pull. I mean, honestly, I think it looks pretty good. I mean, this side is pretty much perfect except for this little mark, but I mean, I'm excited because I really did get a good deal on this. So I have wanted a Louis wallet. I can't totally justify the price of all of the full-size wallets. This lighting is making me look so sweaty. I just realized. But yeah, so I just kind of wanted to show it to you guys. We'll see. If I can get this inside fixed, that would be freaking awesome. Yeah, so this is my new wallet. I just wanted to show you guys just super quick unboxing because obviously I got a new piece and I do not get new Louis Vuitton pieces that often, and this is my first pre-loved thing that I have ever bought. Ever. So yeah, I mean, hopefully they will fix it for me at the store. I could, or obviously maybe get a zipper pull at the store and then send it away to get the inside repaired. But I really am excited to have this in my collection. I really like the pink. It's cute. I think it's a really pretty Barbie pink color. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this really quick unboxing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.